Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to plant strawberries from bare roots. So right here I got my strawberry bare roots. As you can see, I bought them online and I want to let you see how they are. First step to do is to take these strawberry bare roots and to place them in water. So I've got them in water, soak them for at least 2 hours in the water, as you guys can see again. Check it out. Alright. Second step is to get a planter or any kind of container or your grow bed. Put potting soil inside. Right, and then you pre-wet this so that the strawberry root doesn't go into shock. Right, guys. Then you have your planter here. You make a hole. Now I've got this beautiful planter that I got online on Amazon. It's probably 20 bucks. And you can see I'm making a hole as deep as I can so that the roots will go in. And I just take my bare root plant. Beautiful strawberry plant right here. Right here's the crown, guys. So you see the roots will come up and here's the crown. So you don't want to cover this crown or else you get rot and your strawberry plant will die. So I take this out, I fan out the roots a little bit, then I drop it right down into the hole. There you can see. Then after this, I would usually take slow release fertilizer and I will sprinkle it on there. Get some more. I've got this beautiful tower that you guys can see in here. Beautiful, it's from Amazon. And I'm hoping to have some nice strawberries this year. I know I am in Hawaii, so kind of different for me. But where I am in Hawaii, the sun is very hot here. So later on, I'll be placing mulch on top of this so that I can keep the water in. All right, guys, so you continue to some more bare roots. Again, I've got it just like here. Place them down. Most important thing is to keep them watered and not to have the plant dry out, guys. And keep them up like that above the soil. Then I'll just water them in a bit. Right? You guys like growing strawberries in containers or growing strawberries in your garden? Let me know. Leave a comment in there. The like button if you like my video and subscribe to the channel. All right, you see my beautiful tower over here. And then all I'm going to do is for this tower, make sure that I put them out on the edge. There's enough space for them to go. Then I will stack this other one on top. And for now, you want to keep these in the shade so that they don't go into transplanting shock in the sun. Here's some more. You guys like these strawberries? Let me know what kind of strawberries you grow in the comments below, guys. Let's keep planting. Alright guys, hit the like and subscribe.